everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into HomeStreet online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.homestreet.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of HomeStreet Bank. Click on the login button at the top right and select one of the account type from the list. On the next page, enter the user ID associated with your account and make sure to type it in correct. If you've not yet enrolled for online banking, click on the sign up link and follow through the on-screen prompts to register. Finally, after filling in your user ID, click continue and you'll need to go through an extra layer of security. Click on continue with the security code option and select whether you'd like to receive a security code via mobile number. Go ahead and select your phone number that is registered with the account and then select one of the options whether you'd like to receive a one-time code via call or SMS. And finally click continue. On the next page, enter your one-time security code that you received and click submit in order to complete your login for HomeStreet online banking account. That is how you'll be able to access your HomeStreet online banking account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.